Yo, what's up, guys? We are Jets. I'm Jets Alex.
I'm just Don.
So another week with another new unboxing.
Yes, we're doing it like every week once.
Yeah, I promise you all I will come back.
Yes,
This week.
this week is a bit special.
Yeah.
We are unboxing something OG.
Okay, hold on. Intro. So, what are we unboxing today?
Today we're going to go back to OG today. No more futuristic thing.
So today is the OG day.
OG day, yes.
Come on,
And heard about OG?
let's do it.
Even though it's Jordan. Yes, I let you guess which Jordan is this. See the box, printing, print.
Oh, this one is quite hard actually. Yeah. No, actually, every box is so different.
Yes, different Jordan, different box. Okay, I don't know. I don't know.
Is this like the 4?
No, four is a different box. Something similar, but not this one.
6.
Yes, it's 6. So let's open it up.
Okay. Ta-da!
Look at it.
I know this one.
Oh, I
This
waited
one
a bit,
very
you know.
famous in the 6.
Oh.
Is it a very famous one?
Yes,
in the
this
6?
is the OG, man.
So this is infrared.
Yes, infrared.
AJ6 infrared.
Yes. So let me ask you a question. Which is the first year they launched this?
Which year?
This one I think not many people know. You ask 10, maybe only half know this.
Maybe 1993 or 2.
No.
Oh, you mean launch the thing?
Launch. They launched the thing. Actually, they launched and Jordan wear is similar at the same year.
Mm-hmm.
They launched after my Jordan wear after 2-3 months.
Actually, I don't know much about Jordan.
Now let
How about
me
let you do it?
explain a bit.
Okay.
Alright, this shoe they launched at 1991.
Okay.
That is the first year Jordan get their first NBA ring.
Like first time ever.
First
Jordan
time ever, yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
No, not Jordan ring, NBA ring.
NBA ring.
Means they win the champion. Okay.
Okay.
Then after that, he wear this to go play Olympic also.
Olympic.
Yes, to bring the dream team to get their Olympic gold medal. Okay, so this thing they launched like 4 times if I'm not wrong. First is 1991. After that is 2000. After that is 2014. Then after that is this 2019. Alright. They try to make it.
So every time is like every time they change something or what?
the details is something change.
Every time they change the details.
Every time they change.
Okay.
Not they change lah. They like playing the game like Nike,
Oh yeah.
Jordan.
The marketing.
No lah. Okay. Like the shoebox.
Okay, let's go.
The shoebox is the same. Okay. Jordan logo. You can see the printing here. The white cement printing.
White cement. Yeah.
Yeah. Then the
Why they
leather.
not call it grey? Because it's grey color.
Because this printing for them is the white cement.
Oh, okay. So it's
Okay. Yes. And you can see here is a label. Label is very small. You can see here. This is my size. USA. Okay. So simple as that. So let's back to the shoe.
Anything special inside the box?
Box. The paper is the same.
This
Plastic paper.
Plastic
Plastic
Okay.
black paper. Okay.
This is like our sample paper.
Yes.
Oh,
Damn similar.
damn similar. Okay, so finish for the box. is it?
Yes. Then
Just leave the
yeah, leave the box there.
Okay. So speaking of the material of the shoe, how was it? How you think with the previous one, like the previous?
Not the leather. This thing is called what?
Is this like the PU or something?
No. I forgot the name. What the name already? This quality material.
What box?
Durobuck.
Duro.
Durobuck material.
Oh, okay.
It's like the suede is at level here, right? Then Durobuck is a bit at here.
So it's the premium kind of the suede.
Yeah, premium kind suede.
quite premium actually. You can see.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. And then I'm quite interested with this thing. I thought this thing actually is the rubber things, you know. Yeah, it's a rubber. But I thought it's a like soft one, you know, when you press it then you will like go inside.
But this one is very hard.
Oh, this one is hard one, is it?
Yeah, this one is I also first time holding this actually.
And this thing quite interesting for me. This clip.
This thing is the shoelace. What do you call? Shoelace untie and tie. This thing is a bit special because previous release they only like print Jumpman logo. Okay. But this time they print it Nike logo and Jumpman logo together.
Okay.
So this one is a very nice details. For Jordan fan, you will know lah. Okay.
So, but I think quite waste. I'm not gonna call it waste or what, because actually this is like a perfect shoe already for me because it's black. It's easy to maintain. But the bad thing is the IC so down here.
I don't know why Jordan brand Nike like to use IC sole. You can see our previous video. That BB also using.
Yeah, they also IC sole.
I don't know why everything IC sole super hard to take care of.
But because I know the IC sole is like can maybe make more grip in the floor when playing basketball or something. But it's really a very hard to take care things for the IC sole and will become yellow, is it? Yellowish. But
this thing they use like jelly IC sole. Previous, I think they should make it previous like the thing is a bit creamy white.
Oh, they used to be like this.
They used to be like that, creamy white. Okay, so you can see here at the back. This is a very super damn nice.
But
details.
Details?
Yes, you can see back here they are using Nike logo.
Oh, they rarely use Nike logo, is it?
Yes. This shoe only twice they make it, three times they make it a Nike logo.
Oh.
1991 that one confirmed is the Nike logo because it's the first time. Yes, and the second time is year 2000.
Okay.
After year 2000, then it is this one. Yes.
Cool. So only two Jumpman logo. Oh yeah, it's only one Jumpman logo over here in the top.
That one is confirmed the Jumpman logo.
This one bottom.
Yeah, bottom also confirmed the Jumpman logo.
Oh.
Yes.
They always have Jumpman logo.
Yeah.
On the top and the bottom.
Yes.
It's quite interesting actually. But I find something, you know, because normally Jordan shoe, right, they have this the code, the Michael Jordan number, it's like 23. I don't see any here.
No.
But I found somewhere else in here, you know. Do you find like this part is like a 2 somewhere here?
Yeah.
And there's a part of 3.
Wow, not bad leh, you know leh. I thought you don't know.
Oh, this 3 is it? This?
No, this one, the 2 is at here.
Okay.
And 3 is at here.
Which one is 2?
The 2 is at here. Ding ding ding. Then the 3 is at here. Ding ding. Yes. Not much people know this.
Oh, okay. Because I heard this before, like the hidden things in the shoe. Then that's the thing I know about Jordan.
Yes.
6. Yeah.
And you can see even the insole of the shoe, they are also giving Nike logo again.
Nike logo.
Yes.
Okay, can I take out?
Okay. If you can take out, let's take it out.
Wow, it's a shocking pink or orange color, is it?
Infrared lah.
Infrared color.
Yes.
Okay. Damn cool, and the quality is like, wow.
Nice right?
Look at this color. So, speaking about the price, how was the price?
Hey, wait about price. But one more thing.
What?
You can see the inside here. This part. It's a bit reflective, right? Reflective.
Oh, inside the white thing is reflective.
Yeah, reflective.
I thought it's some kind of like air pollution or
this
something.
is one of the details. Okay? Yes. So now we can talk about price.
Okay, so how was the price?
The retail price of this is 775 ringgit.
775 ringgit.
Yeah,
Retail price.
Retail price.
I think it's not that
No, it's very expensive.
Oh,
Last
for
time,
a Jordan shoe is equal, it's expensive.
for this brand, this shoe.
This Jordan 6.
Yes, because last time only 600 plus. I don't know why they increased it again.
Maybe their stock get up, then they
I don't know. Maybe they,
So it's a very bad thing for you, or
Yes,
the head,
very
or the
bad.
legs? Oh,
very bad.
so you're not happy getting this.
No,
Oh.
I don't know why they increase so much. But the resale
But still
price,
a nice pair.
the resale price for this is going up now. Last time when this shoe launched is around 1,900, but now it's already 1,002.
1,002 for retail.
Resale.
Oh, sorry, resale. Wow, quite good lah.
Quite good, ah. But I won't sell lah.
You won't sell it,
Oh,
so you will
gee.
collect it.
Oh, gee, bro.
Actually, I quite like it.
Yes. Oh, gee.
If I know this, I mean like details, story, everything early, I will definitely get this because the infrared color is like really catching my eyes.
But the sizing for this is true to size.
Through the size.
True to size.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
If you are US 9, you take US 9.
Cool.
Alright. So, how do you rate this, bro?
For me, last episode I rated is like 9, is it? But for this, it's like very nearly perfect, but only the IC sort of things. Other than that, all is like for me it's okay. I would give it like because of the IC sole, seriously, because of the IC sole. Maybe 8.
8.
It goes high also.
For me, I rate it 9.5.
Oh, good, because you got the OG.
OG. Because the Nike logo behind.
But I promise you guys I will learn more about Jordan, so maybe next time I will talk more about
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay. So,
So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up.
if you don't like our video, also share to your friends, family, akong, ama, to, aso, everyone.
Everyone you can share, even share Facebook, everywhere you
Facebook, yeah. So, we'll see you guys next time.
share. Oh, okay, remember to click the subscribe button, please.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Woo!